So welcome to Pagaruyung's Palace.
Thank you.
Let me introduce my name. My name is Ira. I'm the local guide here. So I wanna ask you what your opinion about this palace after you go to the second, third floor and going around. What is your opinion?
Yeah.
I think it's a very beautiful place.
Thank you.
The information was really helpful to get a picture
Understand,
of
yeah.
how it works. Because without the information, it was
Yeah, I mean, it's very beautiful to see, but the information was necessary to
Yes.
understand what's going on and how everything works. So thank you for the information. Ida.
Thank you. Yeah.
And I think because we've seen other things in Sumatra and Indonesia as well, so this is very different as the things we already saw. So
Yeah.
it was a nice place to come to.
Okay, thank you so much. And one thing, what is your opinion about this batik?
I love it. Yes,
Yeah.
if I
Nice
can
print.
buy it and I will wear it as a dress in Belgium.
You can buy in Padang or Bukit Tinggi.
Great.
You can.
No, it's very beautiful. The colors
like
and the
it.
prints.
Thank
I
you
love
so
it.
much. And I hope you can enjoy your visit in West Sumatra and also in Haro Valley.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for
Terima
coming
kasih.
here. Sama-sama.